Welcome to Crypto Buzz by Kalkine. I'm Sage, and today we are feeling the heat from the updates coming out of the crypto and related sectors. The investment in the crypto sector has now reached $3 trillion for the first time ever, and Bitcoin just before the mid-market Asian session has reached an all-time high, crossing above 67,000 US dollars. It finally broke out of the sideways movement over the last week. It had dropped almost 10% since setting the previous all-time high of just under 67,000 US dollars approximately 2 weeks ago, back in October 2021. Now, at the time of writing, the price of Bitcoin was about $67,370 according to Coinbase. And it's like stirring the girth welding as the Commonwealth Bank of Australia created a watershed moment, announcing they would allow the trading and holding of crypto on their platform, attempting to weld a bridge between decentralised and traditional money systems. CBA, or the Commonwealth Bank, will accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin on their crypto platform. And Commonwealth Bank's news is huge for the Australian crypto sector, which also brings blockchains like Polymath into the spotlight too. And at the end of October, Polymath announced that the Polymesh network mainnet was officially live. In the last 24 hours, the trading volume is up approximately 34% according to CoinMarketCap. So what is Polymath? And the token is POLY. Polymath is a blockchain technology providing avenues for the production and management of security tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Polymath was discovered when working on solutions to bring a private fund onto the blockchain, where it was identified that a need for a unified standard for security tokens on Ethereum, ERC 1400, was needed, and this was because the current blockchain infrastructure weren't sufficient in meeting regulatory requirements. Security tokens represent an emerging market opportunity. Polymesh is the first chain of this nature that is built for security tokens. And at the time of writing, during the Asian mid-market session, the price is up 0.6%, thereabouts, reaching $0.689971. However, over the last 7 days, it is down 2.6%, and over the last month, it is down 12.5%. As President Joe Biden's US $2.5 trillion infrastructure bill could be seeing more tax for the crypto investors as we still try to nut out whether crypto is a currency, commodity or some other type of asset class. Some crypto enthusiasts are unhappy with the revised definition of broker. Facebook's move to embrace Web3 and the rise of the NFT has made a huge impact in the big tech arena, and Meta Inc. will now be the parent company name for Facebook and WhatsApp brands. And Ethereum is tipped to be the blockchain that will allow many new projects to be discovered in the near future on Facebook's metaverse. So ETH, who also seemed to lead the charge skywards, has again set a new all-time high today, Tuesday 9th of November, during the Asian mid-market session, reaching close to $4,833. So Ethereum, at the time of writing, the price was at about $4,818, according to CoinMarketCap. And over the last 7 days, ETH is up 11.3% as we see the two largest cryptos by market cap prices moving, reflecting each other yet again. But the sky is the limit as ETH, with many analysts expecting big things from the crypto in the coming years, especially as we await the completion of Ethereum 2.0 sometime next year, with speculation over whether ETH could ever take over Bitcoin as the largest crypto by market cap. We'll just have to wait and see. The altcoins, are in the spotlight yet again, and in this week's show, we're going to take a closer look at the alts that are surging, including Crypto.com coin, Kadena, Helium, NKN, Taboo, as well as Flux. So in a crypto flash, let's take a look at some of the prices over the last 7 days. Stacks is up 20%, Elrond was up 15%, DOT up as well, 24%, and Sol up 22%, all having a huge week. One thing that's almost certain is that DeFi is creating a lasting impact. The sector is valued at close to $250 billion, with investors using its functionality to borrow, lend, trade and save within a peer-to-peer context, instead of feeding the financial institutions whose interests are separate to its customers in most cases. And these financial vehicles are enabled through the use of D-apps available on smart contracts, where the terms and conditions of the agreements are set out. There are also penalties applied when these terms are not met. The EU, or the European Union, has their own devices in the attempt to protect the investors when investing in crypto. It's called MiCA, and the EU uses MiCA, or Markets in Crypto Asset Regulation, in order to assess if tokens are financial instruments or which are to be considered crypto assets, and this way determining how to regulate them. The disintermediation of the existing fiat monetary system is an intriguing debate and could see many Gen X, Ys and Zs gain from the increased liquidity made available through investing in DeFi projects that are becoming more popular. The crypto market is volatile and has had a shady past being a vehicle for anonymous criminal and terrorist activities. More regulation aims to protect investors who choose to partake in this highly volatile market. Due diligence from investors in the form of technical and fundamental analysis, as well as networking and connecting with those who are currently investing in the market, is good practice and highly recommended, as well as maintaining your watch list and paper trading before taking any open live positions in the crypto market. We've reached the time for a short break, but stick with us. After the break, we'll take a closer look at Crypto.com, Coin, Kadena and Helium, as well as NKN.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Crypto Buzz by Kalkine TV. I'm Sage. Now let's take a look at why Crypto.com coin, or CRO's price is surging. Launched back in 2018, the coin was seen taking a rocket ship to the moon. This week, with its price exceeding the April 2021 high levels this last week. And CRO will now be available for trading on Coinbase, one of the world's most popular DEXs. The token was created to track the Crypto.com chain and is popular due to its numerous functionalities, giving the owners of CRO an ability to earn cash back of up to 20% on many Crypto.com transactions or to settle transaction fees. Staking of the token is also available on the Crypto.com blockchain, providing up to 12% interest. So at the time of writing, during the Asian mid-market session, the price was up 9.4%, reaching $0.3938, and over the last 7 days it is up 83.1%, and over the last 30 days it is up 102.1%. Could be one to watch for the future. Kadena is next up, and who saw a staggering rise in this coin over the last week? It definitely had some major announcements to make, and over the last 2 weeks the price has surged close to 1,000%, making a new record high of $25.94 on November 7th, 2021. There could be a number of reasons for this increased popularity, which saw its trading volume spike to $345 million, up from an average of about $3 million. So there could be seen to be three main reasons for this phenomenal price action from KDA. And they include launching on the Ethereum network of wrapped KDA. They also announced the exciting rollout of non-fungible token projects, so look out for these, as well as the new exchange listings and the added functionality of staking made available on the blockchain. And remember, Twitter is a great resource for learning about the developers of the blockchains, as well as getting on top of the news of the coins you're following before maybe the press even finds out. So yeah, Twitter, definitely a wealth of knowledge there for the crypto sector. And at the time of writing this report, during the Asian mid-market session, the price of KDA is down approximately 10% at $15.88. And over the last 7 days, the price is up 122% approximately, according to CoinGecko. And over the last 30 days, the price is up 755%. So it could be one to watch if you're looking for new coins to follow. Helium, a coin that's been exciting me, and I finally get a chance to talk about it, had some big news reported by Bloomberg that the blockchain, which launched in 2019 for the Internet of Things space, where low-powered wireless devices can communicate and send data across a system of nodes, has partnered with 5G network main player Dish. And the price of Helium set an all-time high on Monday, 7th November, at $52.41, and at the time of writing during the mid-market Asian session, it's down about 1.5%, sitting at $42.82, and over the last 7 days it is up about 51%. And over the last 30 days, it is up over 110% according to data from CoinGecko. And just one more before we take a short break. NKN, or New Kind of Network, is down about 6% today, sitting at 0.6116 at the time of writing during the Asian mid-market session. But over the last 7 days, it is up 16.5%, and over the last 30 days, it is up about 65%. So this blockchain network allows the peer-to-peer sharing of network bandwidth and internet connectivity on its protocol, launched back in January 2018, and having the inventor of public keys as one of its advisors. The blockchain offers global addressing schemes which mirrors public keys without the use of centralized servers, and in this way enabling direct peer-to-peer communication. And as promised, we've reached the time for a short break. But after the break, we will be looking into the NFT space and what's rocking it, including Taboo and Flux, so don't go anywhere. Hi, I'm Sage, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on Kalkine TV. Watch the crypto buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at Kalkine TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to Dogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, Sage, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching Kalkine TV. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Crypto Buzz by Kalkine TV. And as the tech giants attempt to claim the metaverse, with Google jumping on the bandwagon as well, but the metaverse is touted to expand much larger than Google and Facebook. Combined with this, it's very exciting to watch the news from all the new projects that are developing on the blockchain, and NFTs especially are contributing to generating a community aspect and dropping the facade that the traditional banking system can create. It's about who you are, what you're involved in, and when you're involved in crypto, you are the center of your own universe, and strangely, the more you know, the more you realize you don't know. It really is a rabbit hole that keeps opening up for you, and it's so exciting. An Australian project, Immutable X, has found a way to remove the excessive fees sometimes associated with Ethereum, especially during times of intense congestion. And Immutable X launched their Gods Unchanged collectible series this year and is the first Layer 2 protocol on the Ethereum blockchain, enabling zero gas fees, instant trades and carbon neutral NFTs, as mentioned on their website. They had big news last week when they announced they will be partnering with Ember Sword. And Ember Sword is a free-to-play PC browser fantasy MMORPG with a player-driven economy, a classless combat system within a world moulded by the community and in-game collectibles. And they've decided to move on to Immutable X from the Polygon chain, probably due to the zero gas fees for minting and trading on the leading Layer 2 protocol. And the benefits of moving on to Immutable X will be many for Ember Sword, including improved security, no need for holding tokens in order to pay for gas fees, credit card payments will be available, super fast speeds, as well as increased accessibility. So exciting times for the two camps, and we'll keep you updated on the progress of the venture. Taboo Token has been making waves this week, and Taboo is an adult NFT and streaming media project specialising in highly exclusive content. With models who aren't strictly porn stars, their content is not like other adult tokens, and their marketplace is cutting edge with its creation by the Engine Coin marketplace developers. From supermodels to porn stars, Taboo is selectively curating the most exclusive content to create a list, with the NFT marketplace worth $1 million. Adult performers undergo an application process and obtain approval first, and their NFT marketplace and media streaming platform will be cross-chain, utilising Layer 2 solution protocols with the lowest fees and fastest transactions. Although most content on Taboo is rated R, no other marketplace can compare to the interoperability functions that Taboo offers. And one and all, over the legal age of course, are invited by the protocol to buy, sell, interact, create and earn the Taboo way. Taboo token at the time of writing is up 0.5% over the last 24 hours at $0.03075 and is up over the last 7 days about 14%, as well as over the last 30 days being up 1,090% according to CoinGecko. Flux also made the list, and at the time of writing this report today, during the Asian mid-market session, is down about 14%. But over the last 7 days, it's been up 128%, surging. And over the last 30 days, also up 209%, according to the data from CoinGecko. Flux is gaining popularity as it is a decentralised next-generation Web3 computational network, being a new generation of scalable cloud infrastructure available through the DeFi ecosystem. It enables the management and spawning of apps via multiple servers in preparation for the explosion of the Web 3.0 dApps and proliferation of more mainstream adoption of crypto that this will encourage. So thanks for joining us on a little bit of an extended crypto buzz today, but there's been so much going on in the crypto sector and related space. Today's show was hopefully opening your eyes to more altcoins to keep on your watch list, and we have some incredible experts lined up from the DeFi and crypto sector for our Expert Talks show in the next week or so. So please check out Kalkine Media's YouTube channel for all the related DeFi and crypto buzz. And happy trading. Sage signing off till next time.